Come and view this well-sized house overlooking Pretoria North. Situated on top of the mountain with a breathtaking view from each room, this property will have you mesmerized. The earth is 10,000 square meters in size and you get your own part of the mountain. Upon entering the house, one would find the TV lounge leading onto the covered patio and atrium. The dining room is tiled and the former lounge is carpeted with a sliding door leading onto the patio. The kitchen boasts built-in cupboards and a door leading onto the atrium. The main bedroom is spacious with built-in wardrobes, a balcony and an ensuite consisting of a bathtub, wash basin and a toilet. The remaining 3 bedrooms are carpeted with built-in wardrobes. 2 of the bedrooms lead out onto a balcony. The remaining bathrooms are tiled. Property also features a study and an entertainment area which can be utilized as an office or a granny flat. There is a separate entrance, bathroom and is connected to the house. Overall, a superb property for entertaining with plenty of storage space. To have a chance in owning this gem, contact the owner now.